Yo, 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 boy. This is my first video. I only been on Bandlab for like 20 days, you know. I'm surprised I was able to make this, but it wasn't too hard making like the Adlibs and shit. This right here. I was more surprised that it was gonna be hard to make that, you know what I'm saying? But it wasn't. It was harder to actually make my voice sound like YEAT on these main vocals. Cause if you don't have a deep voice, you know, you might be fucked. Right? But nah, you just gotta turn up the low in your compressor and shit. You just probably gonna be straight. You just bring out the bass in your voice. These right here, long ad libs, like drums and shit. That sounds like instruments you be using. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much. I seen some goddamn other folks doing YEAT presets on Bandlab. That shit was straight. That shit was alright. But I seen that nigga fucking promoting his own song. Like, bro, what the fuck? I ain't gonna say no names, but bro wasted a lot of people's time. RIP the dislike button. But yeah, let's keep on.
We some real rich boys, we don't private jet. We some real rock stars, we don't have respect. I just wake up in the morning, count up all my checks. I already did all shit I could, I don't even know what's next. Let's go, let's go.
I deserve it. I was walking around that mall, we and bought a new turn. One of my bitches told me that I deserve it. Caught out my jewel, got that chain and that bitch perfect.
Now that bitch pull up and eat me like me first. I got meals on top of meals up by New Year's. So don't watch they tone, why the heck I curse? Had to block this bitch, don't know I did it on purpose.
But yeah, though, it's like, I was more worried about these vocals right here, but it was actually more about the main vocals. It was harder than my sound. Like, these vocals actually turned out really good. Yeah, let's listen to them on their own. I'm sure.
Muslim. Let's go.
Yeah, so it's pretty fire. I'm about to show y'all the preset. Yeah, and one more thing I want to say before I goddamn show y'all these presets is, I think he uses different keys on his main ad-libs. Not main ad-libs, main vocals. Because he be switching his flow so much, it's like, you know, gotta switch the key with it or it's gonna sound kind of funky. But yeah. This first one is just pretty simple. Alright, now the next one. Now these right here, this is some old YEAT ad, and I just phased them. Heard the phase in the sound, and I knew I needed it. So I was like, let me just add this. And it ended up being exactly what I needed. Now it works well. Alright, and then last thing out of all of them, main vocals. Now the top main vocals and the bottom main vocals are the same, just different keys. This right here, you're gonna want to get it as crisp and as clear as you want. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty much it. Not too much reverb. Not too much auto-tune. You know what I'm saying? Just. And if you got a deep voice, it really helps. You know what I'm saying? I got a naturally high voice, so you know, You might want to turn the compressor up a little bit. This right here. That's pretty much it though, y'all. Have fun.